like a Hellcat.
Welcome back, and today we found two toys. We worked for a while to do that, almost a year or so. And we are Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, Roger Dodger. What do you have for today? I have one punk, Battle Axe, Category 5, but I have a Monster Dodger for today. I mean the 1/64 scale with that, Hot Wheels Racing Monthly, but I have a 1/24 scale one. I had a Mega Rex, and I mean Fist Dark, and I mean regular Hot Wire, but I have a Edge Glow Hot Wire, a different one. Here's Roger Dodger. Oh, it says Roger Dodger, the type Chunkus muscle. Sorry about the train. You have to get right back. Sorry for the interruption, and let's get into unboxing. Oh wait, for Shrinkus fly out, I'll talk about I've got Chomp Truck muscle. We crash attack is 4-speed slam, and motivations to hit him head on. Let's get into this. Here's Roger Dodger. That's pretty nice truck. Combined with the procedure of a car. That's pretty awesome. He also has I believe that's collectible wheels. See? Roger Dodger. Put right there. And let's move on. Here's Spin Master Soldier Fortune by Ice. Let's see I had. I had a Gravedigger Monster Mile 1 Wire by Ice, but I have for today Soldier Fortune. I have Blue Fun, but I mean the Ice and Innovation. So, here's Ice Soldier Fortune. Sorry about that. I have to get camera restart. And there we go. Here's Spin Master Soldier Fortune. And that's pretty awesome. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.